Sorting algorithms have evolved over centuries, from mechanical tabulators to modern Python optimizations. 1887, Radix Sort by Herman Hollerith. Used in mechanical tabulating machines for the U.S. Census. 1945, Merge Sort by John von Neumann. A divide-and-conquer algorithm invented for the EDVAC computer. 1956, Bubble Sort by Friend. Simple but inefficient. Named later in 1962 by Iverson. 1959, Shell Sort by Donald Shell. The first algorithm to break the O(n) squared barrier. 1959, Quick Sort by Tony Hoare. Invented to translate Russian dictionary words. 1964, Heap Sort by J. W. J. Williams. Uses a binary heap data structure. 1968, Bitonic Sort by Ken Batcher. Designed for parallel processing networks. 1969, Cocktail Shaker by Nuff. A bidirectional variant of Bubble Sort. 1979, Pancake Sort by Bill Gates. Flipping prefixes to sort. The bound was improved by Bill Gates. 1980, Comb Sort by Lodzimierz Dobosiewicz. Improves bubble sort by using a larger gap. 1997, Cycle Sort by W. D. Hultquist. Theoretically optimal for minimizing memory writes. 2000, Gnome Sort by Hamid Sarbatsiazad. Originally called Stupid Sort, works like a garden gnome sorting pot. 2002, Timsort by Tim Peters. A hybrid stable sort derived from merge and insertion sort. Python's default.